Today, the activity is easy, but I love it! You will learn how to use cardboard and just cardboard to make those very cute animals! For this activity, you will need a piece of cardboard, scissors to cut the cardboard, and colorful markers. And that's it! Let's get started! Let me show you first how to make a body and 4 legs and attach them together. This is going to be the body. This will be the legs. And they look like the right size. Let's do 2 more. One thing you can do is you can draw them before cutting them. I have a body and 4 legs. That's when it gets interesting. I'm going to do the same on the leg. Going about halfway through the leg. Then, to attach them together, I just insert one slip into the other. It takes a little bit of practice, but once it's in, it is strongly attached. So let's do it with the 4 legs. Too much is done. And don't worry if it's not perfect. I broke a leg. That's okay, we'll just do another one. Here you go, a new leg to replace the broken one. And a little slip. 3 legs, 1 more to go. And that's it. My 4 legs are attached. Now, what do we need? I'm thinking of a head and a tail. Here for a small tail. You can even make the tail longer. Sometimes it's easier to detach it, work on it, and put it back together after. Nice. Now I'm going to do the head. And we're done. What do you think? What does it look like? Looks like a little cat to me. Let's use the markers to give it a nice little look. You can also take the pieces apart, it's easier to draw on them. Yes, you want to tell me something? Oh yeah! She wanted to say thank you to all of you watching this video because she loves having friends and she wants you to make as many friends as you can. Oh, really? It doesn't need to be a cat. You can create any other kind of animal. She loves them all. It can be a giraffe or it can be an octopus. Whichever is your favorite animal, go for it. Make it. Have fun!